ERPNext Tutorial for Beginners. So ERPNext is an open source ERP system that is used to manage businesses' operation like accounting, sales, purchases, inventory, CRM, and the other tools in here. There's a lot more, but it is built for companies that want one system instead of separate apps for every department. So first of all, if you want to get started, you can go ahead to the official website for ERPNext. You could either start a trial or contact them for the prices. Pretty much depends on your organization, but once you have your account, you can just pretty much start setting up your business or your company name. You can go ahead and set up your company profile. It's usually done right after you create your account. So in the setup area, add your company name, country currency, fiscal year, and basic business details. So pretty much important since ERPNext uses this information for invoices, accounting, taxes, reports, and transactions. Once that's done, you can go ahead and enter the actual desktop with its tools. You have organization, lots of tools for your accounting, assets, and much more. But most of the features are going to be focused inside the organization. So if you want to get started, you have the setup organization over here for this tool. So you can set up your company, invite users, set up your email account, set up role permissions, and review system settings. It should be the same for the other tools as well. So you can see if you enter your assets, you can also go with an assets setup. So it's pretty much done one by one, especially if you have just started. But after all that is done, you can create your first transaction. For sales, you are going to go ahead into the selling section, which is over here. So selling, and go to your sales order or sales invoice. So it's usually over here, either two options. And for purchases, you can go ahead into the buying tool, which is this one over here. Then purchase order or purchase invoice. Now, ERPNext accounting flow commonly uses documents like sales invoice to bill customers for products or services. And other than that, you can also use the reports and dashboards. And after entering transactions, you can check reports for sales, expenses, inventory, and the similar. So ERPNext connects modules together, so sales, stock, purchasing, and much more can update in one system instead of being tracked separately. But if you want to go ahead and explore, most of these are free, and there is a trial you can try to see if this is worth it for your company or business. But other than that, hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.